In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Lightbox on Wix Studio. A Lightbox, sometimes called a pop-up, is a full-screen or modal window that appears on top of your page to show announcements, signups, or promotions. If one is no longer needed or it's appearing at the wrong time, removing it keeps your site clean and focused. I'll walk you through the exact path in the Wix Studio editor so you can delete it confidently and avoid it popping up again. Make sure you're working inside the Wix Studio editor, not just the dashboard. On the left side of the editor, look for the panel that lists your site's structure. This is the Pages menu on the left bar. It's your map for everything that can appear on your site, including standard pages and special items like pop-ups. Open that panel and locate the pop-up section. Depending on your layout, you might see it labeled clearly, or it may be grouped below your main pages. If you don't see pop-ups right away, scroll through the list. It's separate from regular pages because pop-ups are global elements that can show across multiple pages. Inside the pop-up section, find the specific lightbox you want to remove. Lightboxes are usually listed by the names you or your team gave them, like Welcome Pop-up or Subscriber Offer. If there are several, take a moment to pick the right one by its name or thumbnail so you don't delete the wrong item. Once you've selected the correct lightbox in the list, hover over it to reveal more options. Click the three dots icon, also known as the More Options or Overflow menu. From that small menu, choose Delete. Wix will typically ask you to confirm, just to make sure you intended to remove it. Confirm the deletion and the lightbox is removed from your site's pop-up list. That means it won't trigger for visitors anymore and won't appear on any page. That's all there is to it. A quick tip. If you delete the wrong lightbox by mistake, use undo right away to bring it back. Also, removing a lightbox is different from hiding it. Deletion clears it from your site's assets, helping reduce clutter and preventing accidental triggers later. If you have multiple outdated pop-ups, repeat the same process for each one, keeping your site streamlined. You now know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the removal. Clean, simple, and done.